everyone, welcome to Hellovia, and today I'm going to share with you the review of Oral-B Vitality 100. It is a crisscross electric rechargeable toothbrush, and we are going to talk about its features and what are the pros and the cons, how to use it, and why we have chosen this vitality model as compared to other models in the market, because there are other models are also available in the market. So let's start and let's talk about all these things. So in the end, I think you will have an idea which toothbrush you wanted to choose for yourself. We will also be talking about the price comparison of other models and this one. So let's start. So first of all, the features, the body and the build quality is quite good. The grip is good, and the bristles are crisscross bristles, and it is a 180 degree rotation, means this is rotating continuously. In some other models it is lesser rotation also, like it is going to rotate like this and this type of motion, not a 180 degree motion. So this is a 180 degree rotation, okay, and it is having a 2D cleaning technology. There are other brushes also in which the 3D cleaning is also available. 2D is what, like it will oscillate and also it will rotate, like it will give some vibrations also in your teeth, small vibrations and rotation. And in 3D you will get the pulsate feature also. That means that the brush will adjust the pressure as well. Like when you will apply more pressure on your teeth, then its speed will decrease, and when you will apply like lesser pressure, and so the speed will increase. So these brushes are also available in the market, but the price range is quite higher for those. Okay, and surely when I thought we will talk about it as well. Okay, so this is having a 2D cleaning effect, not a 3D one, and the same model, it is available in kids also. It is having a 2-minute timer. It will, like this, it will start working. So after 30 seconds it will give you an indication that you need to change the location. You can hear the voice also. So after 30 seconds it will tell you that you need to change the location of your brush as well. And it is having a 2-minute timer also, like after 2 minutes it will also indicate you that like this, after 30 seconds it will show you, and after like this has vibrated one time in 30 seconds, after 2 minutes it will give you a longer vibration. So you'll come to know that your 2 minutes time is over, as recommended by doctors that you need to brush your teeth for 2 minutes. This brush is having hard bristles, and the model which is coming for kids are having soft bristles also. Okay, and you can charge this brush by simply keeping it in the charging station and plugging it out. Okay, so it will be charged completely charged in 16 hours, and it will give you a backup of nearly 20 minutes. Like you can brush for 5 days 2 times daily. Okay, so nearly it will give you a backup of 20 minutes. This comes with a guarantee of 2 years guarantee and warranty as well. This comes with this head is replaceable. You can remove this head by applying a little pressure like this. Okay, and you can change this also. You will get the head as well, the pack of heads also available online. Okay, and it is completely waterproof. You can keep it in your washroom. Also this brush is waterproof, and as well as the charging point is also completely waterproof. let's talk about the pros and the cons. So the cons, I will tell you, this brush or the charging station both don't have an indicator, so you will not come to know at what time it is charging or when it is completely charged. You just have to like watch your timer, but it is not that if you will keep it on the plug point for a longer duration, so there is some problem. It's not like that, but there is no indicator in the brush or in the charging station that it is charging or it is completely charged. There is no indicator light, although the other models have the indicator light. Besides this, I don't find any other drawback till now, because I'm using it from 10 to 12 days. So it is really feels nice after brushing with this brush. This feels really good. You can give it a try. And cons, its pros, I think all the good things I have already discussed in the features. The price range, if we will talk about, so this comes in the price range of somewhere around 1200 rupees. You will also get brushes in lower price as well, like somewhere around 400, 500 or 600, though some are battery chargeable also. They will you need to use a AAA battery in that, chargeable battery. That also you can buy, but I think that this is a one-time cost. Like chargeable battery, I don't know how long it will last in a toothbrush, surely not more than 15 or 20 days. So you need to replace it and you need to give continuous expenditure on that battery, unless and until you don't have a chargeable battery like Duracell or anything, because I am having that. But still I prefer this charging with the charging station is much better. You need to use a very little paste on this, okay? And I'll tell you one thing, just apply lesser pressure and do it on a constant speed, like and put it in your mouth, like after once you will I'll tell you one thing, once you will put paste on it, don't immediately switch it on, okay? Just keep it in your mouth, then switch it on, else your toothpaste will go here and there. So I think that's all from my side. I have covered all the points. Still, if you have any questions, let me tell you one more thing, because some other models, the 3D models and all those models are also available, but that will cost you more than 3,000, or minimum that I have seen, it's more than 3,000 to 4,000 range. You will get another models with 3D cleaning effect and also with light sensors and all those things, but I think that is more price for a toothbrush. So you can decide. Those models are also from Oral-B, having the warranty and everything. So if it depends on you, how much money you want to spend on your toothbrush. If you liked this video, so I think that is for today. If you have any questions regarding this toothbrush or regarding the market that I have studied, if you want to purchase, please leave a comment in the comment section. Surely I'll reply to those questions. If I know the answers, surely I'll recommend you. If you want to purchase this product, or the battery operated or the 3D Pulsate, so I will leave you the best sellers link in the description box. Please check those out, and please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, because we are not making any paid videos. So whatever we are recommending is our personal experiences. So thank you friends for now. Bye bye.